Well, it, the air quality is not good at this time because of the continuous smoke that's coming from the landfill. So what we're focusing on now, I think, and all the agencies involved, is to quell this fire. So it's been taking some time because the area is not small. It's 41 hectares. But we're moving there. There's progress already, and a lot of assistance is being provided by different sectors.
Sir, do we also have like a target date or something? How soon can we?
I can't provide a definite timeline right now, but if and when we do get a clearer indication, we will provide it.
Sec, kapag tumapak ng hazardous level, should tumapak ng hazardous level, anong kailangan gawin ng mga tao?
Well, as you know, in Ubando, Bulacan, the local government unit saw it appropriate to relocate some of them initially in some shelters. So kung ganun kagrabe na yung readings, ay siguro kailangan temporary lipat. But I think it should be improving soon with all the efforts that are being exerted to address this situation.
Pero kasi recently nag-reignite yung fire. Tapos nung gabi kagabi nakaramdam Makati and Pasay may smog. May plans ba to recalibrate yung mga action ng DNR para hindi na ulit mag-reignite yung fire dun sa landfill?
Well, the reason why we have experts coming in to advise us, to assist us, including JICA and some other entities that are providing already technical assistance to us, is because we don't want this to be prolonged, and we're getting all the experts available to be able to provide us with the proper advice on how to make this effort faster.